Okay, so lesson 24 is all about word problems. So we've learned all these different things, and now we need to start applying them to real life situations. You're going to be presented with three different types of word problems in this unit, and and I'm going to create a separate video for each one so that you can kind of practice through. But across all your word problems, what's really important is that you read very, very carefully and that you follow all the steps. The tendency is to want to skip steps. And what I'm going to tell you is that the students who don't skip steps are the ones that are most successful on word problems. I'm going to give you all the strategies so that you can really understand what's going on here and you can solve. But if you skip steps, that's when you start to get lost and you don't know what you're doing. And that's why students have a lot of trouble with word problems. So first of all, generally speaking, the thing that you have to do is in the last sentence, almost all the time. Write and solve a system of equations to determine the cost of 4 slices of pizza and 4 sodas. And obviously, we've got some information here. So the first thing we need to do, if it's not told to you, because sometimes it is, but if it's not told to you, you need to define your variables. So let's read this problem. Tom and Harry had lunch at the mall. Tom ordered 3 slices of pizza and 2 sodas. Harry ordered 2 slices of pizza and 3 sodas. Tom's bill was $6. Harry's bill was $5.25. Okay, so we want to figure out the cost of 4 slices of pizza and 4 sodas. Well, in order to figure that out, I'm going to need to know the cost of a single slice of pizza and a single soda. So let's define some variables. We're going to let P be the cost of 1 slice. And then we're going to let S be the cost of 1 soda. All right, so now we need to come up with our system. All right, Tom ordered 3 slices of pizza and 2 sodas, and his bill was $6. I'll write it as $6 like so. Harry, on the other hand, ordered 2 slices of pizza and 3 sodas, and his bill was $5.25. So once you get to this point, now you're just applying the elimination method that we learned in lesson 23. So I'm going to multiply this top equation by 2 and this bottom equation by -3 so that I can get the same value in front of P. So here we go. 6P plus 4S equals 12. And -6P minus 9S equals -1575. Okay, let's solve. This is going to eliminate when I add these together. -5S equals -375. And so the cost of a single soda is going to be 375 divided by 5. And so what that comes out to be is 75 cents. So what I like to do is I like to write that up here now. We now know that this is 75 cents. There's a little note. Okay, so now I need to solve for the second variable, which is my slice of pizza. So I've got 3P plus 2S equals 6. I don't know what P is, but I do know that S is 75. Okay, so this is 3P plus $1.50 equals 6. Subtract $1.50 from both sides. Divide by 3 on both sides. And I get $1.50. Okay, so now I know that the cost of a soda is 75 cents and that the slice of pizza is $1.50. Now, the next step in elimination is generally to check. Because you're writing your own system, I'm not as concerned about checking because you wrote it, if the system's wrong, you may get a check that's positive, but it's actually not correct. And so The bottom line is even if you get a check that works, it doesn't give us a lot of information. It doesn't guarantee that you're correct. So I'm not as concerned about checking when we're doing word problems. So what do I need to do now? I need to know what 4 slices of pizza and 4 soda costs. So a slice of pizza is $1.50 and a soda is 75 cents. I need to know what that costs. So I'm going to go to my calculator. This is going to be $6 and this is going to be $3. So my total is $9. So now the last step, and do not skip this step, you have to write a sentence. The cost of 4 slices of pizza and 4 sodas is $9. And box that puppy in so I can find it easy. And that's how we do word problems. Don't skip the steps. Do your let statements, write and solve your system, answer the question. Make sure you do all the steps.